دیکھیے وی آر ناؤ ascertaining your bona fides. ٹھیک ہے, because we have doubts about this petition. No, پتہ نہیں کر رہے نا, ہمیں پتہ, ہم جب کیس کرتے تھے تو ہم کم سے کم کلائنٹ سے مل لیتے تھے پہلے. بس اچھی بات ہے کہ آپ فون پہ لوگوں سے مل لیتے ہیں. بھائی کمال کر رہے ہیں حیدر وحید صاحب, یو ہیو انووکڈ دی کانسٹیٹیوشنل جورسڈکشن آف دا سپریم کورٹ. Just if you take it as a joke, I mean, and you say you've not met any of these persons. No. Mr. Salahuddin Ahmed, what do you have to say? What do you have to say?
What can I say about this?
Today you're not saying anything. You're usually very articulate.
His clients, what can I say about it?
His alleged clients.
As far as the prayer in the petition is concerned, I have and grounds taken in it. I have some reservations, but बाकी तो सर मैं क्या.
برادری ایک ہی ہے نا صلاح صاحب.
Lord, I'm not engaged in that petition. What can I say?
No, because his petition in a way comes in the way of your petition. Have you read his petition?
In fact, this petition really sees, sir, कि जो code of conduct broadcast की गई है Honorable Supreme Court ने बनवाया था under section 39 of the Penal Act, वो under section 37(2) of the plea का अगर उसको federal government consider करे for already sir बातें जो मैंने सुनी तो government already ये बातें करती है और एक draft बन भी चुका है इसको मैंने next week किया हुआ है एक सारी authorities को एक करके बाकी सारे मीडियम्स को
Wait, first of all, Mr. Haider Waheed, we are not asking you to argue the case. We are just trying to ascertain who you are. The petition does not have a signatory of anybody. یہ مجھے دیجئے 27 کی فائل. We're going to use the Supreme Court for some ulterior motives. پھر بتا دیں ہمیں, ہم ویسے ہی چلتے ہیں پھر. ہم وقت بالکل نہیں دیں گے آپ کو. وقت کیا دیں گے آپ کو؟ وقت کیا دیں گے آپ کو؟ آپ ہمارے پاس آئیں, ہم تو آپ کے پاس نہیں گئے ہو. There's no affidavit. Affidavit is filed by the AOR. There is no signature on the petition. Mr. Haider Waheed, you are far too clever and senior that we would say anything like that. But please see the array of petitioners. One is an IG of police, one is a retired joint cabinet secretary, one is based in Lahore, one is based in Islamabad, 1, 2, 3 are based in Chakwal. One is an advocate. It's a very strange group of people coming together.
Perhaps when I didn't get them together.
Why? Don't be so defensive. We never suggested you got them together. And so why are you so defensive? We just want to know their bona fides. There's no affidavit. There is nothing about them. It just raises doubts because the petition here is for media freedom and here you're talking about media regulation. So it's in a way at odds. And then you want your case to be delisted from theirs. Why?
Certainly the petition doesn't say harassment survey or protect says nothing. Of course, obviously harassment is wrong. It's happened with that public and act. In the fourth petition just have absolutely nothing to do with the legal point of what we have done. The legal point is that it's got a ताल्लुक नहीं है, that's my answer.
please don't do this. Again you're doing this. We're not even hearing you on merits. Don't go there. Now read order dated 6/10/2022. ये पढ़िए. पढ़िए. 6-10 का छोटा सा ऑर्डर है, हम आपके लिए पढ़ लें. 6th October 2022. Okay, we'll read it for your benefit. Mr. Haider Waheed. The questions raised in this constitutional petition are already being examined by this court in suo motu case number 5 of 2021. It would therefore be appropriate if this matter is listed along with the said matter for a comprehensive examination of the relevant articles of the Constitution of Pakistan. Let notice be issued to the Attorney General of Pakistan as well as the respondents for a date in office. It was on your request that the matter was listed. Now you want it delisted without... Can you please have the patience to hear us out? You have moved an application CMA number 1865 of 2024, wherein you say that this should be delisted. So now you use another word. I think you've been traveling on the motorway a lot, so you're using the word tag. Now please read your application. और कोई petition है? आपकी petition का number क्या है?
Then that is CP 4 of 2024.
अच्छा, your is 4 as well, incidentally, 2024.
जी सर.
देखिए वो पहला वाला 4 2021 का फैसला हो जाता है तो शायद आप खड़े नहीं होते हमारे सामने.
Sir.
ठीक है. अच्छा, now what is your grievance? Can we now narrow it all down? And what sort of order are you looking?
Sir, pursuant to your lordship's last order, first, if I may clarify who I'm appearing for. One is for the Press Association of the Supreme Court and Saqib Bashir on behalf of the Islamabad High Court Journalist Association. Their grievance is in relation to the FIA inquiry that was initiated and the notices that were done and the JIT that was formed. The others, pursuant to the observations of your lordships on the last date relating to the earlier suo motu case number 4, उसमें your lordship will recall police से report मंगवाई गई थी और FIA से, and your lordship had asked me to see if those reporters were journalists were wanted to be represented. I am currently representing Mr. Absar Alam, Mr. Matiullah Jan, and Mr. Imran Shafqat. In Mr. Matiullah Jan and Mr. Absar Alam's cases are quite similar in as much as one was kidnapped, the other was shot, and the police investigation is in question. The other case of Imran Shafqat, that is a case of the FIA registering an FIR against him. So that basically ties into...
No, what is the allegation there?
My lord, I have to, right now, I don't have his complete case record with me. I've not been able to get it. I talked to him day before yesterday, and his case record has not come available.
No, but you would know the nature of the FIR. What is it alleged?
Sir, वो पीका के offenses थे, sir.
When was this? Recently, old.
This FIR was registered on 7th of August 2021.
Regarding?
My lord, certain offences were alleged under PICA and Penal Code. Mr. Imran
ये हुकूमत किसकी थी?
It was, yes, it was Mr. Imran Khan's government, sir.
Acha, okay.
And so he runs his program on
So
YouTube.
is it case pending against him? It's closed?
Sir,
What is
in this case, Challan has been filed before the trial court,
saying what? Exonerating or implicating him or what?
implicating him,
For?
my lord, for these offences under
Say,
section.
what is the nature of the offense? Don't quote us a section, say he did this.
My lord, offences actually अपने vlogs के अंदर उन्होंने कहा कि जी आपने कुछ रियासती
आपको जरा
इदारों और ओहदेदारों के बारे
आपको
में
मैं करेक्ट करना चाहता हूँ. Vlog.
I find it hard to pronounce. I know what it is, but I just find it hard to. Blog is easier, but blog is something just doesn't come.
जी चलें.
जी
नहीं, what is the nature of the thing?
सर
ये पूछ लेना, पूरी FIR आपके पीछे खड़ी है ना.
जी जी नहीं, ये मेरे सामने ये FIR भी है. सो उन्होंने कुछ अपने जो ब्लॉग के अंदर कुछ प्रोग्राम किए जिसमें उन्होंने कुछ रियासती इदारों और ओहदेदार और उनके बारे में कुछ
this is what you're referring to?
My lord, I'm referring to CMA 2488.
नहीं, ये जो अभी फाइल कर रहे हैं आप,
नहीं वो तो 2490 है.
ये नंबर्स इस पे नहीं.
ये 2488
2490.
No, 2488. Please take up 2488.
ये
2488. And if you may kindly turn to page 11.
नहीं देखिए, हम सीधी साधा आपसे बात कर रहे हैं. हम भी जानते हैं FIRs कैसी होती हैं. कोई सब्सटैंशियल ऑफेंस है या बस ऐसी तंग करने वाला ऑफेंस है?
My lord, in all fairness,
भाई, you're not responsible. Why are you so hesitant?
नहीं, I'm not. मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि
It was a different age, it was a different government, but people don't remember history. They want only today. They don't want to remember yesterday, and they don't want to plan for the future.
ऐसा कुछ है नहीं इसके अंदर जिसको ये कहा जाए कि सेक्शन 11,
हो सकता है
13 and 20 के जो offense जो
आप पूछ लें FIR से, are they interested in pursuing this? 3 साल तो गुजार लिए, 21, 22, 23, 24.
My lord,
Or you can keep it pending to pull his chain whenever you want to.
No.
If that's the objective.
no, it can't be.
It can't be or it isn't.
It isn't and it can't be.